volume of a sphere starts with a circle. Circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared from grade 10. And that's my r. Let's just play a little bit. Y squared equals r squared minus x squared. Y equals plus or minus the square root of r squared minus x squared, which is that circle. Let's just take off that plus or minus. And what that will do is that will just give us the top half of the circle, because we don't have, that's the minus. Okay, that's a good start, because now the volume of a solid of revolution is pi f of x squared dx from A to B. Over here, that's y equals the square root. How about I call it f of x? So v equals pi, the integral of, okay, if I square that, I'm just going to get r squared minus x squared dx. And how do I think what I'm going to do is just make it easier on myself and go from 0 to r. So from 0 to r, okay, equals pi. I've got to integrate that with respect to x. So it's r squared x minus x cubed on 3 from 0 to r. Pi. So whack the r in, so that's going to be r cubed minus r cubed on 3 as my first bit, and then I'm going to subtract 0 minus 0 when I put the 0 in, which is going to be pi. So let's just think about r cubed minus 1/3 of r cubed. I'm going to get 2/3 of r cubed, which is 2/3 of r cubed. Now, if you remember, I only found the volume of just that little bit from 0 out to r, and I rotated that about the x-axis. So I've only got half a sphere. So what I've got to do to that, I've got to double it, and then I'm going to get the volume of the sphere is double 2/3 is 4/3 pi r cubed, which there you have it. That's the formula on our year 9 and 10 formula sheet. Isn't that cool? That's where that rule comes from.